Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Adnan and I am a student in the University of Human Development in Sulaimani. Today I will talk about some example of how AI is impact on our life. Artificial intelligence is used by us every single day. Sometimes when we hear the artificial intelligence, we think that has nothing to do with us. It's something we don't come in contact with in our day-to-day lives. Actually, we do with so many different elements of our lives. For example, if you pick up your phone in the morning, let's say you have an iPhone. It opens up automatically by recognizing your face. This is basically artificial intelligence in practice. It uses machine vision to scan your face and uses machine learning algorithm to make sure that this is actually your face and giving you access to your phone. Then you might check your social media feed. You go on Facebook, Twitter, or anywhere else like Instagram, and again, what is happening? Those will use artificial intelligence and lots of different ways. The information they are giving you is based on your history, what you have opened before, what you see, what you like to see. So again, driven by artificial intelligence. Security, so it will filter out certain bits of information, might even look for a fake news that is filtering out. So social media companies are using this. A lot of companies like Instagram and Facebook have just started using machine learning to identify cyberbullying, for example. So this is again running in the background without us necessarily knowing. Then you might send an email and again you have a spell checker. Or you might use a tool like Grammarly to help you to write better and correct spelling mistakes. These tools use artificial intelligence. They use natural language processing capabilities to check what you are saying. When you send an email or receive emails, spam filters are driven by artificial intelligence. They try to monitor the traffic that is happening across the different email networks, and it will identify potential spam and filters those out for you. Or you might then do a Google search, and again, what is happening? Google will serve you what it knows about you, what you are interested in. This is all driven by artificial intelligence. They couldn't search the entire internet in a split second without the AI. They couldn't understand you as a person and themes you are interested in and the websites you want to look at. So every search result is now personalized to you using artificial intelligence. The other tools we are increasingly using is a voice. So we are using Siri or Cortana or Alexa and Google Home, and these tools again use natural language processing uh, and natural language generation, which is driven by artificial intelligence. So the simple capability of understanding what we are saying is done using artificial intelligence. Then returning an answer is enabled by artificial intelligence. So this is another great example about the AI. We will have lots of smart home devices which is now using artificial intelligence to understand how you are using your house. It will use information. It will learn how long it will take to heat up your house and start at the right time, and soon we will have smart everything. We now have smart fridges that make wine recommendation. We have smart cars. Everything is becoming smarter, and all of this is enabled by artificial intelligence. You do all this before even you go to work. Then you might drive to work and you might use Google Maps. This is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to monitor live traffic condition, compare them to previous traffic condition, use weather information to then recommend the best route for you to drive to work. If you have a modern car, it might also have driver assist functionalities, again driven by artificial intelligence, monitoring where you are driving, where like other cars are, that you are staying in line, and soon we will have autonomous vehicles. We already have this in operation. Just imagine you have now live in a mountain, and instead of driving to work by yourself or you take a taxi, you can now go to Google's sister company Waymo to order a self-driving car that will pick you up and deliver you to another place. And this is again is driven by purely AI. Another great examples of artificial intelligence is security when you do your banking, for example. So you might buy something in a shop and this transaction would be checked automatically using artificial intelligence. We're taking lots of information on you, where you are, what you normally crush, and then the artificial intelligence will make a decision saying this is a valid transaction or should be declined. And these tools are getting better and better by the day using artificial intelligence. You then fancy a bit of shopping, you go to Amazon, and Amazon's recommendations are driven by artificial intelligence. So they have learned what you like. Amazon is now getting so confident about their recommendation that they are starting to do what they call anticipatory shipping. So they will start shipping goods towards you because they knowing that you are going to buy them at some point in the future. And finally, you get back to home, you settle down on the sofa and watch a movie. You put on Netflix, and what Netflix recommending you is driven by artificial intelligence. So they understand your past viewing history, and 80% of what we are watching is now driven by Netflix recommendations. And they go and back and become a lot smarter. They will now look at the time of the day and what normally you want to watch. So this is some of many examples about how we use AI in our life. I hope this video was useful for you. Take care. Thanks for watching.